In this video, we're going to walk through the first-time setup and installation of your Patio Misting System Pro. First, we will need to make sure you have everything necessary for a successful install. You will need the Patio Misting System Pro and all included parts, a small roll of plumber's tape, an electric drill, screws, and possibly a ladder. Choose a location for the misting system that is close to a water source and easily accessible for maintenance. You should also ensure that the area you choose has a flat surface and is free from any debris or obstacles. We need to prepare the unit for first-time use. Push the two tabs on the left and right side of the unit and remove the faceplate. Use the provided syringe to add 80 milliliters of 5W30 motor oil. Slightly tip the unit back while injecting oil to prevent any spills. Once you have added all 80 milliliters, replace the faceplate. Next, we need to connect the unit to a water source. Wrap your hose union in plumber's tape to ensure a snug fit. Do the same to the input end of the inline water filter. Next, connect the hose union from the water source to the inline filter. Connect your inline filters with the provided hose and connect to the unit, like you see here. There are arrows on the inline water filters to ensure proper direction of flow. Before moving on to the next step, make sure you have the drain valve closed on the inline water filter. Before making any cuts or drilling any holes, look at your patio and decide where you would like your mist to begin and end. Once you have your ideal layout, begin by hanging mist line at the end of the run, leaving room for adjustments as you work your way back towards the beginning. Ensure you have the proper fasteners for the surface you are installing into, whether it be wood, stucco, or metal. For perfect corners, use the provided 90-degree connectors. For wide corners or to move around an obstacle, use the provided flexible tubing to create a custom bend, as seen here. Once you have all your mist line hung, install all of the nozzles as needed. Do not forget to install your end connector with the nozzle before you complete your installation. Now that you have your mist line installed and your machine is hooked up to a water source, it is time to plug everything in. Connect your mist line using the provided connector to the unit and plug it in the nearest power source. Once everything is connected, turn on the water, only opening the faucet halfway at most. It is now time to turn on your machine. You can fine-tune the pressure of your machine as explained in the manual. Walk your mist line checking for leaks or loose connections. If you are not seeing mist, please inspect the entire line for the source of pressure loss. Refer to the user's manual for more information and troubleshooting. You are now enjoying the same mist that you find at all of your favorite local restaurants. Sit back and experience your backyard like never before. Thank you for choosing the Patio Misting System.